Hello and welcome to Crafty Crafts at Sky Alice Jessie. My name's Debbie and thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. Well, today what we're going to do is decorate a basket. I actually won this basket at a flower club, so I'm very grateful. It did have some pearls on it, but I took them off and it did have some flowers, but obviously they've died now because it was a long time ago. And it came with this. I liked this, so I took off the pearls and I thought I'll decide to decorate here myself, just in a different way. And what you're going to need today is obviously a basket, and also you're going to need some ribbon to wrap around here, and some glue dots, and some gems of your choice. And also I'm going to put some lovely flowers inside the middle, so make sure that you spray the oasis first. So let's get started. So first of all, so here's the basket. I'm going to just bring it near you so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm actually going to just put a glue dot here, here, and at the top. So let me take off these are the little glue dots. I'm sure you've seen them before. Well, maybe not, I don't know, but I'm assuming so, but I was told you shouldn't assume anything. So I'm going to peel off the little glue dots. It's a bit fiddly, and then you're going to push it just on the inside, just here, just on the inside. And also we're going to put one up here and up here. So we're going to peel another one off and stick one up here. It can get stuck to your fingers, but just nothing awful. And then we're going to stick another one just here, just in here. So just on the inside of the basket. So you've got one hit on the inside here, one here and one here. And then you're going to take your ribbon, and whatever ribbon of your choice, and then you're going to press it on the inside. So just press it as hard as you can on the inside, like so. Just press it on the inside, and then start to wrap the ribbon. So you're going to start to wrap the ribbon very tightly. If you don't have a glue dot, you can just use some glue. But we're going to wrap it really tight and overlap the following one. So you see, we've got a sequel going on, but make sure you hold it really tight. And I've got one glue dot down here, but if you feel like you need to put two, but one's enough for me. So we're going to pull this and we're going to wrap around, holding here, and then take the other side and pull it. Okay, we're going to have a sequence going on. Make sure you keep it nice and tight. It's going to look absolutely lovely. So just hold it up here, hold it, and keep wrapping. Pull the ribbon out, pull it sort of diagonally, and keep pulling it. Keep it tight. Put your hand there and keep that tight, because you don't really want to start all over again. Well, you might have to, but you don't really want to. So you see we've got that, and then we're putting it on the inside, and then we're pulling it out, but sort of holding it diagonally so that it will get round there. So we're going to keep going under, out, pull it, wrap up. I've got to really pull that, because you don't really want it to puckle, because that can look, you want it to look nice and tight. So we're holding here and we're pulling with all our might, and then we're going to take the inside and then we're going to pull it up. So you see so far that the basket handle is covered and it's nice and tight, you see? That's lovely. So pull here, hand underneath, up again. Oh, my hand's getting tired. But anyway, we'll persevere. So pull again, Keep pulling. Let's see, I want this to, yeah, pull with all your might, underneath, up again. And then just making sure that there's no puckles. We'll try not to anyway. So I'm going to just put my hand up here, and then I'll put my hand underneath and pull it up diagonally. That's it. So I'm going to hand underneath. I'm sure you get me just right now. Oh, my hand is tired actually. But anyway, I'm going to persevere because it's well worth it. I'm going to keep pulling. There's another glue dot at the top. So make sure you press it against the glue dot. Pull again. Hold it. Pull again. And if you run out of ribbon, just stick a glue dot and then carry on. So don't worry about that. Just keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. Keep wrapping there. All right, nearly finished. Gonna need another. So yeah, it's a little bit shorter, but it doesn't matter. You just pick up another glue dot, just peel it off. Just peel that off and, oops, I don't want it to unravel. And then just stick it underneath and then pull. Hold it tight. And now that it's completed, nice and wrapped nice and snugly, I'm going to do my most favourite bit is adding some bling. So you can add any bling that you like. These are stick-on ones. I'm using these colours because they're more dark, and I wanted them to be a bit more showy. But you can use like little ones if you want, or whatever colour that you like. Stick-on ones, or you can just stick on some if it's not sticky ones. Just stick them on with some glue. But I just wanted this colour because I wanted this colour because I wanted it to just be a bit more showy. And I don't usually use dark colours. I more use light colours. So I just wanted to use some a darker colour as something a bit different, because I more use like pinks, which is my favourite colour. So just stick them on. So it's quite noticeable from afar. And I do like these because they've got other colours with it. So just going to stick them on whatever pattern you want on the outside. So I'm going to have a little gap between them. Make sure that it's nice and even. I'm just going to carry on sticking them all the way around the handle. So the handle, make sure it's all in line. Yeah, so make sure it's all in line. So the handle's decorated as well. And I might, some glue, it's come off there. I might stick a little bit on the petals as well. Depending how I feel, I might stick some on these little petals. But we'll see how it is. We're going to stick the flowers on first of all. That one's dropped off. We're going to put in the flowers. I've got a load of flowers. I haven't decided which flowers I'm going to use. But I'm going to put some flowers inside here. So I don't want it to be overkill with too many gems. Just enough, but not like overkill. So we're just going to carry on sticking them on so that this looks a bit showy. And remember I've already sprayed inside the Oasis. Those that don't know, this green bit is called Oasis, which is glued inside by the previous owner, because as I say, I won these in a flower show, and I was really happy because we did a raffle and I really wanted to win this, and I won, and it was like shocking to me. So I was so happy because I really did want this. It had a load of beautiful, it was wide with a load of beautiful pearls. It did look nice, but I just fancied decorating a handle because I've not decorated a basket handle before. But I do love the petals that have been glued on here. I think they look absolutely stunning. So I'll make sure this is all even, and I'm going to press these. So yeah, we've studied it all. I think it looks quite nice. So I went out and got myself some roses. I got red, yellow and orange here, and also got some foliage. I don't know what they're called. So we're going to start to put them around the outside. So one would go at the side here. The other one would go on the opposite side, and then another one would go at the other side. These are just like fillers really, and one on the other side here. So it's kind of like a circle, and there's a little space there. So one would go in this space here, just push it in. So it's like a circle around the edges of the oasis, which is the green foam in the middle. Be careful when you're touching this and with your eyes, because it's a bit flaky. So we're going to get another piece of foliage and going to stick that round the sides, and then another piece around the other side. So it's on the outside like a, you know, like a circle. So just fill in the gaps, and then this is a tiny one here, but it can be used. And then one more here. So try and keep it a bit even. So basically what you're doing, you're going to put all the greenery around the edges. Okay? And then we're going to start to fill in the middle with the roses. So you pick up the biggest rose, if yours are different sizes, but you pick up the biggest one, and then you're going to put it into the middle. So that's the focal point. And then you're going to pick up the other size one. Sometimes I'll take the petals off if they're falling off. And we're going to place it in a sequence here. And then another one, another rose is going to go on the other side. So just push that right in. So as you can see, we've got a row of the roses going across, the biggest one in the middle, and there's two smaller ones at the side. And then we're going to get the other flowers, the other roses. And if any of the petals are sort of falling up, just pull them off. And then we're going to push that diagonally on the other side. You see? We're making like a sequence. Going to push that in a bit more so it is even with the other roses. Try and make them all even. And then we're going to take the other rose, the other orange one, and really give it a shove inside. And make sure that when you cut your flowers, whatever flowers you use, that you cut them as the stem as a diagonal, so it can drink the water that you've sprayed into the oasis. And then afterwards we're going to stick the yellow rose further on the inside, one side, and then going across the other side. So just stick it in there. I'm just going to pull this rose up further. Okay, you see we've got a nice sequence going on. I think that looks really nice. So there it is completed. I did try to put the gem inside the middle of the rose, but they kept falling down deep in the rose. So I just stuck to my original plan where I just stuck some gems on the purple bits, which lilac bits, they're sort of their material they are. So I'm really pleased with that. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be very grateful. And if you do, can you please remember to press the notification bell so it'll let you know that when I'm in town and posted another video. So any comments, any questions, please comment down below, and I post my videos every Wednesday. Okay, bye for now.